No matter when it is, mankind has never changed their pursuit for quality. For more than 30 years, we have accurately measured each of our steps, regarding every day and every product as a new challenge, to lay a solid foundation in the industry with our dedicated and excellent professional abilities. FANGDA Holding. FANGDA Holding Limited was founded in 1987 in Furong Town, Yuching, known as hometown of drills in China. It's a leading enterprise in the hardware tool industry of Yuching and in China National Drill construction industry base. Was ahead of our peers in Yuching to be certified by ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and OSAS 18001. Our company specializes in producing and operating more than 20 series of products under more than 5,000 specifications, such as hammer drill bit, chisel, HSS drill bit, saw blade, router bit, hole saw, and tungsten carbide. And also invests in real estate, finance, PE, and other areas. FANGDA Holding has more than 200 sales outlets and special sales offices throughout China, plus special sales offices in Russia, Ukraine, the UAE, Vietnam, and other countries. Our products are exported to more than 80 countries and regions in Europe, America, the Middle East, Southeast Asia, Africa, and so on. Each excellent process is from the unremitting persistence of our R&D staff, and each quality breakthrough is from strict control of our technicians. The applications of brazing furnaces and automatic high-frequency equipment have ensured the welding strength and stability of our products. The improved quenching process makes our products harder and more resistant to shock. Strictly control the straightening process to ensure the drill straightness and concentricity. High quality and high performance raw materials ensure the excellent quality of FANGDA's products. Thanks to our high-level technical improvement and innovation, plus our scientific management mode, our overall costs have been reduced greatly. Our professional R&D team develops different kinds of carbide tip and materials to meet different market needs, escorting our excellent process and products. The continually improved management regulations of FANGDA contribute to common achievements and development of both the company and employees. While improving the staff quality all around, FANGDA implements its quality, safe, and efficient production concept into its production thoroughly to ensure its steady growth. In promoting social and economic development, FANGDA is demanding for itself to regard energy saving, emission reduction, and green development as its own mission, and was ahead of its peers to use the renewable energy, solar energy, so as to transform from a low-efficiency energy user to a high-efficiency energy user in industrial production, thus making long-term contribution to mankind's energy saving, emission reduction, and environmental protection. Develop the market with quality. Win customers with credit. Make progress with improvement. Build our brand with efficiency. A century-old enterprise is based on quality and credit. China, FANGDA